Seek to excel, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, seek to excel. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a window into the rich tapestry of the English language. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding phrases like this can significantly enhance your English proficiency. Let's explore what it means to seek to excel and how you can use this phrase in everyday conversations. Seek to excel is a motivational phrase that combines two powerful words, seek and excel. To seek means to attempt or endeavor to obtain or achieve something. Meanwhile, excel means to be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject. Therefore, when someone says they seek to excel, they are expressing a strong desire or effort to be outstanding or superior in some area of their life or work. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. As a student, I always seek to excel in my studies. 2. Our team seeks to excel in customer service to stand out from the competition. 3. In her artistic pursuits, she seeks to excel and create unique works. These examples show different contexts where the phrase can be used, highlighting its versatility in both personal and professional settings. The phrase, seek to excel, isn't just about achieving success. It's about the journey towards continual improvement and setting high standards for oneself. It encourages a growth mindset, where the focus is on personal development and striving to be better each day. This concept is particularly important in language learning, as it promotes perseverance and dedication in mastering English. Understanding and using phrases like seek to excel enriches your English language skills and allows you to express complex ideas succinctly. Remember, language learning is a journey of continuous growth, and phrases like these are stepping stones towards fluency. I hope this video has been enlightening, and I encourage you all to seek to excel in your English language journey. Happy learning!